Your law practice is running your life. Stop. Today, that ends. My name is Anatoliy Chistov, and I'm a digital marketing specialist for divorce attorneys. Meet John, a divorce attorney in New York City. He walks into his office on a cold Saturday morning, gets a cup of coffee, sits down at his desk, opens his computer, and there's 343 unanswered emails smiling back at him. John turns off the computer and goes home. He's exhausted, overworked, and has no work-life balance. Later that Saturday was our first conversation. And I remember very well, John tells me, my work never ends. I'm always tired. I make great money, but who cares? I work 60 hours every single week and most weekends. I miss hanging out with friends, family, and just enjoying my life. Can you help? That Monday, we started to work. John faces two problems: no consistent way of generating new revenue and lack of help. To fix the revenue problem, we redesigned and updated the firm's website to represent the world of today, not 1999. A facelift, you might say. We then created high-quality written and video content that speaks directly to his potential clients. And finally, we made the website visible online through the search engine optimization and Google paid ads. Revenue problem fixed. John is now getting more cases than ever. He fixes the lack of help problem by hiring 2 new attorneys, a paralegal, and a new legal assistant. The power team is now built and handles all day-to-day operations, except for marketing. That's my job. At one of our monthly meetings, John turns to me and says, "I believe we are here." And at that moment, I knew exactly what he meant. And by month 7, he stopped working weekends. By month 13, he was working less than 40 hours per week. And by month 18, his practice tripled their revenue, and the net profit was up by 17%. John is running his practice now, not the other way around. And most importantly, he found his work-life balance once again. I know you're not John, but I know you can relate. If you want to find your balance, make more money, and help more people along the way, then click on the link below to schedule a free strategy session. And remember, you're in control now.